Welcome to Support This TV, and damn it, boy, shout out to all my supporters. I really appreciate y'all.
Do your shit. Do your shit, Snowball. Shit. Shit.
Get right.
Get right.
Get right.
I say get right now.
Boosie let fans into his private life by posting a whole lot of videos of him and his kids, as you can see in the first video that I have shown. But also, Boosie was on live, and he showed another video of one of his kids' parties, and he had a musician out there. Now, I don't know who this musician is, but he's a very talented dude. And he turned that damn bird into a box of chicken. Now, I don't know if you heard about this video already, but here go the video.
We've been through a lot, and we've done a lot of shows. You ready? I need you to show me something, bro. I want you to show me people what you do. Can you see him there? Here we go. Here we go. Should I do it?
No, don't burn it. That bird looks big. Poor bird.
Now, Boosie did not post this guy's name. Now, as you can see, this dude is very talented. And I'm pretty sure he's in the Atlanta area because that's where Boosie stay. But let me know how y'all feel about Boosie out here, giving his kids the best life. But let me know how y'all feel about Boosie showering his kids with the best, man. I think it's real cool to see Boosie do these things. But I am AKA Bands. Support this TV. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm out. Peace.